This is the first oral test of Technical English 2, Section N. We will be talking about a biome, an ecosystem, and the classification of biomes. What are biomes? Biomes are large regions of the world with plants, animals, and other organisms that are adapted to the climate and other conditions. A biome is composed of many similar ecosystems. Often an ecosystem is much smaller than a biome, although the size varies. Ecosystems are defined by the interactions between living things and inanimate in a particular place. In an ecosystem, plants, animals, and other organisms depend on each other and the physical environment, soil, water, and food. An ecosystem is composed of various species. All individuals of the same species in an ecosystem form a population. An ecosystem may have hundreds to thousands of different species populations.
While living in the same place, each species plays its own role in an ecosystem. The role is called niche. Niche of a species can climb trees and eat their fruit, while the niche for another species might be going on hunt for small rodents. For a tree, a niche might grow tall and make food with the sun's energy through the process of photosynthesis. If the niche of both species is similar, might compete for food or other resources. Sometimes ecosystems lose their balance if, for example, a heavy rain and thriving population and increase in number with the additional water. The population could grow much and surpass other species in the ecosystem, may consume food, space, or other resources from other species. They could eat all the food. Sometimes equilibrium is re-established an ecosystem there naturally. Other times, it is possible that the balance of an ecosystem is increasingly out of balance. Today, human actions are having an impact on ecosystems worldwide. These actions are causing many ecosystems are out of balance.
Hi, I'm going to speak about the ocean biome. The ocean contains the largest of all biomes on Earth, covering 70% of the planet's surface. The life in the ocean is diverse but have two classifications. The microscopic classification, there are creatures with only one cell, and the largest creatures. For example, the blue whales. In the ocean live a lot of plants, algae and phytoplankton. The reason of these plants live in the ocean is because the sunlight penetrates the top of live of ocean water up to 200 meters, and that's provoking the photosynthesis. In the ocean, the life can be classified in four categories. The first is life in the littoral zone, the place where the ocean crashes into the earth like a beach. And this place is a low tide and high tide levels, where the sunlight trespasses all that level. The second is the life in the open ocean, the largest area of the marine ecosystem, like the Atlantic Ocean, is for the plankton and other large creatures. There exists life on the shallow oceans, and it's the part where the sunlight can trespass that level. It's little the trespass of the lights in that part, and the life in the deep ocean. There is cold, is dark, and the light not trespass that level.
For the biomes, there are many classification schemes. The most used is the one based on the biological effects of temperature and rainfall on vegetation, assuming that both determine the type of vegetation and animals found in one specific area. There are many others like The whole bridge is screened based on climatic parameters. The Whittaker's biome type classification scheme based on precipitation and temperature. The water system based on the seasonality of temperature and precipitation. The Bailey system based on climate. And the WWF system divided in terrestrial ecoregions. The WWF includes the freshwater biomes, the realms, the marine biomes, and the anthropogenic biomes that are the ecoregions habitated by humans.